Howdy folks, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. This week's treat is blueberry cream cheese pie with a special ingredient. I think you're going to like it. Come follow me along in this video, I'll show you how we did it.
My God, what did you eat?
Okay, we're going to start by peeling one orange. Now we're going to get some marshmallows. We're going to melt these in the microwave. Put about 25 marshmallows in a microwavable dish into the microwave on high for about a minute. Now we're going to get a mixing bowl, a third of a cup of sugar, a can of sweetened condensed milk. Oh, look at what happened to the marshmallows. I would not do that at home, folks. Let's try to add this to the mix and see what happens. Now, an eighth of a cup of lemon juice, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add the oranges, folks. Ready? Mix it up. Yeah, like I said, I would not do this at home if I were you. Okay, let's get serious. Put everything into a 2-quart boiling pan. Add some extra marshmallows to make up for the mistake. Start to melt this all together. Now it's time to add the blueberries. Add more blueberries. Mix it up. More blueberries. Mix it up. More blueberries. Keep mixing. Starting to melt down. More blueberries. Not enough blueberries yet. Alright, now it's time to add 8 ounces of cream cheese. Melt that into the pan. Looking pretty melted. Pour that into the pie crust. Into the refrigerator for about a half an hour, and that's what you got, folks. Time to cut it apart and see what happens. Oh yeah. It's good. A little sweet, but it's good. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I've enjoyed making it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that, cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. And always remember to thank our Creator, from whom all blessings flow. To God be the glory.